See, I don't care how recent your bankruptcy is or how old it is, the process of removing a bankruptcy is the same. I always tell people to try to freeze your LexisNexis and then go ahead and dispute your bankruptcy on LexisNexis. After you dispute it on LexisNexis, they remove it from LexisNexis, then dispute that account on all three credit bureaus. Sometimes it's going to be easy, sometimes it's just going to be hard, you guys. We're talking a bankruptcy, we're not talking like a collection account, we're talking a bankruptcy. So you just go through the process of just disputing that bankruptcy with LexisNexis and then go ahead and dispute it with all three credit bureaus. If for some reason, and I see this a lot even when I'm helping people too, if for some reason you get that bankruptcy deleted from two bureaus and that one bureau still refuse to remove it, just file some complaints and just keep disputing at it. Bankruptcy, especially when it's reported inaccurately, and a lot of bankruptcies are, just keep disputing it. And if you want to go as far as to sue the credit bureaus because they don't have all the correct verification, then you can possibly do that. But when it comes down to a bankruptcy, I don't care if you like literally just filed it last month, like just go ahead and dispute it with LexisNexis first and then attack the three credit